Hi guys, and welcome to my cooking channel. My name is Sonia if this is your first time stopping by. Today I am sharing 3 Pinterest inspired recipes from Mexico. I'm not sure if these are completely authentic, but it is what I found on Pinterest and appealed to me, and I've tried making them for my family and we love them. So come along. So my very first dinner is so simple. It is tacos, and I'm just sauteing my onions with some peppers, and then once those are done, I will add my meat and just slice up some tomatoes and season it with some taco seasoning. Now I make my own taco seasoning, so I will link that down below. Some of these recipes I will share, but some of it I did adjust to what suits us. So the recipes are more of a guide, and then you make them the way you want to make them. I like eating mine as a salad, but my kids use soft and hard taco shells. For dinner tonight, we have another Pinterest meal, and it is a ribeye street tacos. So I have some ribeye steak here that we're gonna cook up on cast iron, and then here I have seasoning that consists of black pepper, garlic, and cumin. I will have the recipe linked in the description box. I also have juice of 1 orange and juice of 2 limes. So here are all the fixings that not everybody's gonna use everything, but we've got some cut up onions, cilantro from my garden. This is green Mexican sauce. I think it's like tomatillo salsa. Then I have some jalapeno peppers, sour cream. There's the Cholula hot sauce. I'm all out of my homemade salsa, so next best thing for us is the white corn and black bean salsa from President Choice. I like adding the hot sauce, this green, I think it's a habanero, yeah. And then if anybody wants some of this queso. And then I have the Mexican style corn tortillas, as well as the empanadas dough. This has to get cooked, which I have my little cast iron ready to go for that. There's a block of cheese if anybody wants to shred some cheese, and then I have some leftover corn from the dinner before, which I'm going to just take the corn kernels off, and if anybody wants to add it. And then I think, I haven't decided yet, but I might make mine as a salad. Just put it over a bed of spinach or spring mix. But I haven't decided yet what I will do. Maybe I'll do one empanada and one salad. We'll see. So I'm preheating my cast iron griddle, and I'm going to sear them all on here. That way I can do all of them at once. And then I'm going to slice them up and finish them off in my stainless steel. So the meat is almost ready. I'm just going to preheat my oil here and start cutting it up and adding it to this pan. So I've added half the juices and half the seasoning because I have more here, and I'm just gonna cook it until the juice evaporates a little bit. So here it is. I did them a little different, each one of them, but I did go with a salad on the bottom instead of a salad on its own. For dinner tonight, We are having a fun dinner, had a big lunch, so we don't need a huge dinner. So I'm just going to be making some nachos, ground beef nachos. So I got my beef, I've got some onion, some cherry tomatoes because I don't have the other ones, regular tomatoes, so I'm just going to use cherry tomatoes. And I have my taco seasoning. I will link the recipe for it down below. I always make my own taco seasoning. So I'm gonna cook up my beef, and here is the pan that I'm using that I typically use when I don't have the right size in cast iron. So I added my meat after I added onion. And if you guys don't have this tool from Pampered Chef, you definitely should get one. It works amazing, not just on meat, but on tomatoes and anything that needs to be crushed. Fruit. Oops. So the meat's almost cooked. Well, it's browned. I'm going to add the tomatoes, and I'm going to also add about 2 teaspoons of the seasoning, and then I'm going to taste it once it's almost done, just to make sure that I have enough. So here it is. It's gonna go into the oven, and then I'm going to have some sour cream and salsa on the side. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're on a hunt for some dinner recipes or just general recipes, this channel is for you. Make sure you're subscribed and your notification bell is on. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.